My lovely wife knew that I was going to be working on a new computer. I have a Windows 10. It is a second gen i7. So Windows 11 hasn't been able to load. I've tried it several times using a couple different hacks, and that hasn't worked. So it's time to just build a new machine, I guess. So I've got a motherboard, Ryzen 7, and anyway, she got me this sweet case. So interesting thing about the case is a couple of things. First, really a lot of airflow all across the top. It's a magnetic filter. There's a magnetic filter on the bottom as well for the power supply. As you can see here, you can pull it off and clean it periodically. I like the designs where the power supply is on the bottom like this. So it's got a separate cage for it down here. Typically, however, the power supplies, you have a front to back fan on your power supplies sometimes. And anyway, with this one, the air is flowing straight up through here, straight up through here. And then there are 3 fans in the front and 1 in the back. You can see here that the 3 front fans, actually, I stand corrected, 4. 1, 2, no, 3. I was right the first time. Sorry, 3 fans. This is really nice. This is actual wood. It's wood strip, so it's kind of classy. I like that. It's got a glass side here, smoke color, and you can pull it open to access and install your motherboard, etc. So we set that aside. Just put that on my power supply box. Looks like a pretty good build, actually. The construction feels really good. On the back, go ahead and open the back. So, one minor complaint I have at this point is a lot of times the motherboards have an M2 slot on the back as well as an M2 slot on the front. On my gaming rig, I've needed to pull the M2 card out, and if you've got a back-sided M2 card, you're not going to be able to access it at all. It'll be right here in this area, so you're not going to be able to get to it. On my gaming rig, I could get to it, I could remove it, I could copy it or whatever, replace it, upgrade it, whatever, without having to pull the motherboard out. On this one, I won't be able to do that. I do have 2 4-terabyte M2 cards, so in theory, there'll be 8 terabytes of space in this guy, so shouldn't ever need to pull it out, but if I did, there you go. All the cables are here. They've got good use of flat cables, and obviously I haven't pulled them out yet to route them or anything because I'm not ready for that. We'll get the motherboard put in here first and then pull all those out, get the power cables going where they need to go, etc. Sama, the company, makes a lot of other things. As a matter of fact, I've got a Sama 750 watt, 80% gold power supply for this. It's their black hole edition. And so put that in, get these other components in, and we'll get it going.